Today we're cooking Korean rice cake soup. You'll need the following ingredients for 2 servings: 120 grams of stewing beef, 1 tablespoon of soup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste, 1 green onion, 3 cups of sliced rice cakes, and 8 dumplings. For the garnish, you'll need 1 egg lightly beaten and 1 package of kim or laver. Cut the green onion into small pieces and the laver into strips with scissors. Cut the beef into bite-sized pieces. In a pot, sauté the beef with the soup soy sauce. Once the beef is browned, pour in 9 cups of water. Bring to a boil and skim off the foam. Reduce the heat to medium and boil covered for 10 minutes. Add the rice cakes. Add the dumplings. Finally, add the garlic and boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then add the green onions. Turn off the heat and pour the lightly beaten egg over the soup and stir gently. If you'd like, add a few drops of sesame oil to your soup to get a more savory taste. Place the laver on top of the soup. And that's how you make Korean rice cake soup. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.